Welcome to English for Everyday Life. Today we're exploring architecture and interior design, a topic that lets you describe the built world around you with precision and appreciation. Architecture is the art and science of designing buildings. When describing a building's exterior, you'll often talk about its facade, the front face of the building. You might say, the facade is a beautiful mix of red brick and stone, very typical of Victorian architecture. Or, the glass and steel facade reflects the sky. It's remarkable how it changes throughout the day. Architectural styles carry their own vocabulary. Gothic architecture features pointed arches, vaulted ceilings, and flying buttresses. Think of the great European cathedrals. Art Deco, popular in the 1920s and 30s, is characterized by geometric shapes, bold colors, and decorative detail. Modernism strips everything back, clean lines, minimal ornamentation, and an emphasis on function. And brutalism uses raw concrete in bold, geometric forms. Proportions are central to how we experience buildings. A well-proportioned building feels balanced and harmonious. You might say, what I love about this building is its perfect symmetry. It's the same on both sides. Interior design focuses on how spaces feel and function. An open-plan layout means the kitchen, dining, and living areas flow together without internal walls, creating a sense of space and connection. You might say, the open-plan design is perfect for entertaining. You can talk to people in the kitchen while they're seated at the dining table. Natural light is one of the most valued qualities in interior design. Phrases like, the room is flooded with light in the afternoon, those south-facing windows make all the difference. Or, the skylights are a stroke of genius, they completely transform the space. Color and materials set the mood. A muted palette, soft grays, warm whites, natural wood, creates calm. A bold palette creates energy and personality. Today we covered exterior vocabulary, architectural styles, proportions, interior layout, light, and color. The built world is endlessly fascinating. See you next time.